Amid tensions following attacks by the United States and Israel on Iran and Tehran's retaliation, shipping activity through the Strait of Hormuz has been severely disrupted. Despite the volatile situation, more Indian-flagged LPG vessels are continuing their journey towards India. Two additional Indian-flagged LPG tankers, BW TYR and BW ELM, carrying a combined 94,000 tons of LPG, have successfully crossed the conflict-affected area Strait of Hormuz. Both vessels are expected to reach Indian ports within the next few days. BW TYR is scheduled to arrive in Mumbai tomorrow, while BW ELM is heading towards New Mangalore with an estimated arrival date of April 1st. The ongoing conflict has nearly halted shipping movement through the narrow Strait of Hormuz, a critical global route for oil and gas exports from Gulf nations. However, Iran last week announced that non-hostile vessels would be allowed to pass through the waterway after coordinating with Iranian authorities. Following this development, several Indian vessels have safely navigated the route. Earlier, Indian-flagged LPG carriers Fine Gas and Jagvasant, carrying 92,612 tons of LPG, reached Indian ports between March 26 and March 28. Prior to that, MT Shivalik and MT Nanda Devi, transporting around 92,712 tons of LPG, arrived at Mundra port on March 16th and Kandla port on March 17th, respectively. Meanwhile, three LPG carriers, Jagvikram, Green Asha and Green Sanvi, remain in the western Strait of Hormuz. Additionally, one empty vessel in the region is currently being loaded with LPG. Despite heightened tensions and restricted movement in the region, Indian-flagged vessels continue to navigate the crucial route, ensuring steady LPG supplies to the country.